You got my face. Ah. Hey, Mama, 1 second, please. Hey. Oh, hey, Amiga. How old are you today? Say, I am 8 weeks. Tomorrow, yeah, today is 8 weeks. Yay! I'm 2 months. Whoa. Yeah, who is that? It's you. Ooh. Oh, and it's Dead there. Hi. Oh, is that Amiga? Ooh, you're pretty. Say hi, world. Yeah, I don't think you can be able to handle this. Oh no, when we look at these videos from a long time ago, we'll be like, what are you talking about? She wasn't a hard baby. Look how much she's smiling. Oh. She's like, I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, smile. Hey, who is that? Is it you? Ow, 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 ow. Whoa. Bubba. Ah, ah, she's eating me. She's eating me. Oh, oh, who's it? Is it you? Oh, I'm sorry. You want to show that awesome hair of yours? Wait. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, hello, ow. Oh, now you're camera shy. Show the hair off. Whoa, look at the hair. Whoop, look at your eyes. It's you. Whoop. Whoop. It's Mr. Fox. Look. Hello. Is your mind blown? Okay, no more cameras. No more cameras. I'm not wearing my right clothes. I'm not kicking my right legs. Look at those little leggies. Whoa. Ow. Tickle. Okay, say bye. Say bye-bye. Bye, world. Bye, world. See you later. Bye.